Hello everyone, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. We're doing another high heel try on today. I have a gorgeous pair of single sole 6-inch high heels in shiny black. These are absolutely stunning. They have an open toe so your feet can breathe a bit. So there's one. And I'm getting the other one out. They come really nicely packaged so they're not going to get damaged at all if you're getting them shipped to you. And also they come with a really nice travel bag, so the shoes will be separated in there if you're ever going on holidays, putting them in your suitcase, they're not going to get damaged. So let's try them on. This is a 6-inch single sole high heel. As you can tell, they're a bit tight when you first get them because they are brand new and they will stretch. So I'm currently wearing a size 7. Which is a little tight for me, but I'm still going to show you guys how they look. They look really nice with a nude polish. You could even do black nail polish with these and it'll look really cute. So let's go for a whirl. Ooh, I love them. And look at the side profile, how nice they make your legs look. Really elongates your legs, makes that calf muscle look very nice. From the back and the front. Okay, let's have a little walk in these. So they are quite a high heel because there's no platform at the front. So you wouldn't want to be walking in these for too long. I am going to say that because I want you guys to know, and I'm giving my honest review on these. So your feet may get a little sore, but they are stunning. I'm absolutely in love with these. They're really, really good if you're going to wear them in a photo shoot. Like look at how long it makes my legs look, and I'm short. Would you guys like to see them in the light? It's a really nice day outside, so let's have a look. They are so cute. So you can wear these even with a really cute pair of jeans, a pencil skirt if you're going to work, or a really nice little dress if you're going out for dinner with the girls or the men. So I've got a bit of hair on me because I'm molting. So as you can see, they are the black shiny look, a 6-inch heel. Open toe at the front so your feet do get a bit of room to breathe. They are really, really nice. I'm really, really liking these. Alright guys, how about we go back inside? Ooh, there's my first fumble, alright? Let me know in the comments how I'm going, guys, if I'm walking in these nice, because this is literally the first time I've ever walked in 6-inch heels without a platform at the front. So it is a little difficult for me. Yeah, really liking these. And they're made really well. They've got a nice grippy bottom. So let's take them off and see how they are. I just want to show you the side because they are so gorgeous. Alright guys, so if you're liking these videos, make sure you click like and subscribe and click on the notifications so every time we have a new review come in, you don't miss any of the gorgeous new heels that come in. And I'll see you next time.